All right, guys, here we go. Oh man, this is what we looking like. So now, before they get to pouring this right here, these guys are gonna have to. They're gonna have to brace all these walls up, man. These things got to be braced up so they don't move. A lot of forms, man. 2 trucks of forms. This is what we look like here. You know, I just had to come back over here just to make sure this is my form. This is my release agent. Come back over here just to make sure everything is good. I wanted to get a driveway up there, but don't look like we're gonna have enough room to get that thing to happen. You know, we're gonna have to build this up. I'm gonna have to build this up to come out here and then kind of slope down and then go down. To give it a little bit more of a natural look. Here we go right here, guys. I just met the inspector out here. So we, for the most part, good to go. You guys are good for in the morning. You good in the morning. Okay, so y'all gonna be ready? You gonna have it braced up? Okay, all right. All right. That's kind of what we're looking like here. This is labor intense right here, guys. You're doing these walls. This is gonna be the reason that we do this right here is this is what the steps are gonna sit on. So my final grade is gonna be about right here, guys. So we'll come here. That's my final grade right there. I'm having a picture. I'm creating pictures in my mind. Hey man, is there any way I can make that right there just a little bit, maybe up to about that? I mean, keep this right here needs to be at that's good. But like right here, kind of maybe go up to about right here, something. Yeah, about right there and then go down. Can we do that?
You see the brick is come to the 4 feet.
Yeah, brick come right here.
Yeah, but you're gonna fill that to the 4 feet to the same height.
Yeah, it's gonna be the height is gonna come like right here. Boom, right here. Yeah. That's about how high the brick, yeah. I mean the brick's gonna be right there.
The brick is right
Yeah.
here. You're gonna fill that right here.
Yeah. Yeah, well, yeah, you're right. Okay, that's fine. No, you're right. No, you're right. No, you're right. Yeah, that's fine.
The height is the
4 feet. Because that's gonna be the brick ledge
Yes.
right here. Yeah.
So the same height is the.
That's right. That's right. That's right. Okay. Yeah, as long as my brick ledge right here. And yeah, we're gonna come. You're right. I got it wrong. I'm thinking about something else. My bad, man. I can't see you right now. Yeah. I had that wrong. I'm thinking about something wrong, guys. That's the brick ledge right there. So we're gonna be that high. So we're gonna have the final grade is gonna be about right here. And it'll slope down to this right here, to the top of these guys right here. So he's good. He was right. Every once in a while, these guys will call me out on something. I don't know how you can get AI to do stuff like this, guys. It's not gonna happen. All right, guys, here we go. You guys gonna see how this right here works? How y'all doing, man? What's going on? So we got this right here. It comes from the pump truck. It goes in here. This guy right here takes it. Now, hey, he's gonna be on YouTube. So these guys got it going on here. He pumping that up here. Guys, you notice how we got these bulkheads locked in, braced up, keep these from moving. Got a lot of walls going on here. Final grade is gonna come up here. Guys, if you want the unedited portion of this right here, you guys need to come to the members only channel. He's actually controlling that thing. He has a little controller right there in his hand. Huh? No, you good, man. But he's controlling it right there. I knew my son would call me soon. He's putting that release agent on it. They'll come through and see what's going on here. Because thought he was coming to me. At this point, man, all the questions need to be over with. Any questions he got, I don't need to hear it. Hey, I'm making sure I got my. Yeah, you guys can see my little sleeve right there. Let's release agent in there. I like to see it right there. That's hey man, something splattered up on you, man. You all right? How did it get you? How'd you get it? How'd that happen?
I was going down to fill one of the holes up, and I started the pump, and he pushed the hose over.
Oh, okay. Yeah, man, you like you been out there.
Oh, yeah. I got a job from last night.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I was doing a school not too far from here.
How old are you, man?
36.
Okay. You still fairly young in the game, man. You haven't done it. You haven't done it. Well, this is my first time I seen you out here. I did another one over in Eagle Point.
Oh, you the builder?
Yeah. I hadn't seen you too much.
I'm just
Me?
bumping.
Is this on me? What's wrong? Something wrong or something?
No, I'm stuck with crappy stuff.
Okay. I wish I could speak Spanish, man. That'd be good. All right, man. Good. Hey guys, if you want the, I am gonna do a unedited version of this right here. Yeah, I hate to see stuff like this here. This is probably, I want to guess this right here with the prime, the trucks. A bunch of, y'all see the. All right, so guys, if you want the unedited version of this right here, well, I kind of go through and break some things down. Guys, you guys join me on my members channel. Okay. It's kind of what we got going. I'm just really going through here, man. I'm trying to make sure we got our sleeves in here. You know, I'll put another sleeve over here. This is labor intense, guys. It's a labor intense job. Yeah. Looking for my plano. All right, guys, here we go again. This is Emmett the Alpha Builder. Just trying to get over here, man. We pouring this concrete today, and see, we got the guys. Got that guy with the remote control. He's actually controlling this pump truck, guys. This boom truck. This thing right here. You kind of see what he got right there. I don't know why they got a generator. We got power over there, but they fixed to turn that on. I can tell you what they're doing. They fixed to start vibrating it. And I got these guys. They're gonna make sure they get all this stuff done. Hey, which truck are you? Which one are you? Are you the you the second or third truck? Second. They got this much on the second truck? That's good on my side. I like that. Is that hard? It'll be your house. No, I'm the builder. Oh, okay. Yeah, I just I think we got I got 10 trucks coming. Yeah, you got 9 yards coming up. Yeah, so it may not take that much. I may have to. Well, they'll stop. Yeah. Well, they'll let me know. Yeah. But I'll stay out here and make sure now. Yeah, man. I got a camera. I can watch it. I've been looking at everything all morning. How you like doing what you do, man? How you like? Can y'all get any young guys out there? Well, I hear it. I'm doing driving these trucks. You got a few of them young. Like how old are they? Well, my son, he's 45. No, I'm talking about like 25, 23. The whole thing we got down there, that young. Not driving. I don't know how old Justin is. He might be in his 40s. I'll just look like he's older than my son. Oh, man. This is crazy, man. These young cats don't want to do nothing on it. No, sure. What do you think? The mama messed him up, didn't he? I don't know what. I got a young too. I can't tell you that, but he's talking about he won't get on well now. What? That's the mindset of them, though, baby. So you take it easy, man. What's up? Got all kind of stuff here. I'm gonna go in the heart of beef. Good. Hey, everything okay? Good. I see what they're doing. This is the way.